Hey, it's Todd Ault. Welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is declared dividend. Now, this is when a company declares a dividend at the board level and announces to the public it's going to pay a dividend. Now, when it does this, it puts the shareholders on notice that the amount the dividend is going to be paid, the X date, which we've talked about before, and the date it will be paid. Now, this is important to understand that it creates a liability for the company. Once they declare a dividend, they have to put it on their books as a liability to the shareholders, and then they pay that out. These dividends are usually paid by companies that are older, more mature, and generating free cash flow. However, in recent years, companies like Microsoft and any other tech companies have begun paying dividends. Today's word is declared dividend.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.